This investment, which was all in all 5.4 million euros, is not our investment for the railway stations, for the trains, for the highways. This is investment for people. We want to make it easier for people to travel, to make it easier for handicapped people to have access to the trains, to have better facilities, and of course, as regard the highways, it not only makes the roads safer, but it also helps with economic development, because it speeds up the transport between business entities in the country. I think the good news is that we as the European Union, we have invested a lot in the past in all transport sector, like 250 million euros. But the good news is that we are going to invest also in the future. So there will be more projects coming up in the future, in railway especially, because railway is more and more transport of the future. It's a clean transport, it's a fast transport, and this is where I think our future investment will go.